This song is called Rains, Parks, and the Other Thing by the Cowsills and I, live. I saw her sitting in the rain, raindrops falling on her. She didn't seem to care. She sat there and smiled at me. Then I knew she could make me happy. Flowers in her hair, flowers everywhere. And I don't know just why, she simply caught my eye. She seemed so sweet and kind, she crept into my mind. I knew I had to say hello. She smiled up at me. She took my hand and went off to the park alone. Then I knew she could make me happy. Flowers in her hair, flowers everywhere. Well, I don't know just why, she simply caught my eye. She seemed so sweet and kind, she crept into my mind. Suddenly the sun broke through. I turned around, she was gone. And all I had left was one little flower from her hair. Then I knew she could make me happy. Flowers in her hair, flowers everywhere. Was she reality or just a dream to me? Well, love showed me the way to find a sunny day. I love the flower girl, was she reality or just a dream?